Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
5 little ducklings on the farm. In a meadow bright where the daisies bloom, lived 5 little ducklings, dispelling all gloom. Each one a hue from a painter's grand scheme, yellow and orange like sunbeams that gleam. The farmer would whistle as he tended his land. With laughter and joy they'd waddle so grand. From morning till dusk in the warm golden light, these colorful ducklings brought pure delight. They splashed in the puddles when rain painted skies, with quacks of pure pleasure that danced with surprise. Their feathers like jewels, so vibrant and bright, chased shadows of clouds that drifted in flight. As twilight descended with the whispers of night, the farmer would gather them close to his side. 5 little ducklings nestled under his care. In dreams filled with wonder they'd float through the air. Tomorrow, he promised with warmth in his tone, we'll explore every corner, you're never alone. With hearts full of hope and eyes shining wide, they journey together, a magical ride. But storms sometimes thundered, the winds could be fierce, yet love was their shelter, it never would pierce. Through trials they ventured with courage so bold. 5 little ducklings, worth more than pure gold. As seasons turned softly from spring into fall, their colors grew deeper, their spirits stood tall. Together they flourished beneath starlit skies. 5 little ducklings, with dreams to arise. So here's to the farmer who nurtures their song, and to 5 little ducklings, where love will belong. For life is a tapestry woven by heart, a dance on the farm where all creatures take part.
Look up, my little ones. See the stars dancing? And there's
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.